To enable cloud streaming on your PlayStation Portal, you'll need a PlayStation Plus premium subscription and a stable internet connection with minimum 15 Mbps, ideally 35 Mbps for 4K streaming. For the internet connection, you need a minimum of 15 megabits per second for basic streaming, but 35 Mbps is ideal if you want to stream in 4K resolution. First, make sure your PlayStation Portal is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Then navigate to Settings on your portal, go to PlayStation Plus, then Cloud Streaming, and select Enable. This will verify your premium subscription. Cloud streaming allows you to play games directly from Sony's servers without needing a local PS5 console for some titles. This feature has been enhanced with firmware updates, reducing latency and expanding game availability. Power on your PlayStation Portal and connect to Wi-Fi. If you haven't already, download the PS Remote Play app on a compatible device like a smartphone or tablet. Open the app and sign in with your PlayStation Network credentials, either with your email and password or by scanning a QR code. On the portal, link your PSN account by following the on-screen prompts. If using local remote play, ensure your PS5 is on the same network. For cloud streaming only, no PS5 is needed after the initial setup. Launch a game from the cloud library. Sign-in prompts will appear if you're not already authenticated. Biometric sign-in via compatible accessories is also available for faster access.